Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. We have covered a lot of calculators so far, but now we are moving to a new category named ROI simulators. So these are not just calculators that give you just one number, they model real business scenarios, project what happens over time, and tell you what to do about it with strategic recommendation built right into the output. So you can go through this ROI simulators. Links will be available below in the description. So today we'll be starting with the first one named Geo Revenue Impact Simulator. So your business is showing up in Google search results, but is it showing up when someone asks ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google AI overviews for a recommendation in your category? That visibility gap is already costing you leads and revenue. So this simulator puts a number on it. This is the Geo Revenue Impact Simulator by Upgrowth. Geo is nothing but generative engine optimization. It is the practice of optimizing your content so that AI platforms cite and recommend your brand when users ask questions related to your brand, product, or service. The simulator estimates how much additional revenue a geo investment could generate for your business over 12 months. So, just six inputs, you get a full projection with the growth chart. So, let's quickly walk through one example. The first is monthly revenue. Is your current monthly revenue from organic and digital channels, and organic traffic monthly is how many sessions your website currently receives from organic search per month, and vertical is your industry. Select from the drop down here, and AI citation share current is the percentage of AI generated answers in your category that currently mention your brand. If you're just starting out with geo, this is likely very low. So and next is NGO budget monthly is what you plan to invest each month in geo, like content creation, optimization, and authority building. And last input is content authority is your current level of credibility and trustworthiness as a content source in your industry. So now let's hit on calculate. I have entered few random numbers. So here is what the simulator projects by month 6. The revenue lift is around 4 crore 23 lakh 75,000, 1,412% increased over your current revenue baseline. And by month 12, revenue lift reaches to 12 crore 52 lakh 50,000. That is a 2,087% lift. And the AI citation share grows from 5% to 26.6% by month 12. And additional that is a gain of 21.6 percentage points here, and you will be generating a 1330 additional AI source leads every month by month 12. And your 12-month ROI is 5119 percentage. Back period is just 1 month, meaning the investment pays off itself within the first month. Here also we have the revenue growth projection chart available, and the key insight from the simulator confirms at 26.6% citation share, capturing 1330 AI sourced leads monthly by month 12. The revenue lifts justifies geo investment for the vertical I have entered. So, search behavior is entirely shifting. More and more users are getting answers directly from AI tools instead of clicking through to websites. If your brand is not being cited in those AI responses, you are invisible to growing share of your potential customers, and your competitors who are investing in geo right now are capturing those leads instead. So, this simulator makes the financial case of acting early before the gap widens further. Run this with your own numbers and see what Geo could mean for your revenue over the next 12 months. The link is in the description below. And if you want a Geo strategy built specifically for your vertical, Upgrowth is just right below here. Click on this, book a free strategy call with us. We can help you out. Thank you.